What's good? How fucking ugly am I right now? I have the marks because I just have my glasses on. Yeah, today is a brow tutorial. So as you can see, I do have full brows naturally, so I don't really have to do much, but I think that doing brows, it's really easy just because all you have to do is outline the top and bottom and do feather-like strokes. So even if you have sparse brows, all you need to do is just mimic the hair strokes and just be quick with it. Quick strokes. Quick strokes. Yeah. So first off, to start, you need a good brush. This is the ABH eyebrow brush. It's the number 12, as the spoolie and the eyebrow part. It is worth the money. I feel like the cheap ones, they're just not stiff enough or they're just too flimsy. That's literally the same thing. I just repeated something twice, but yeah, this one's good just because it's the right amount of stiffness. It doesn't, go everywhere. It helps you, like, with the direction, guide you. Yeah, so first I'm just gonna comb my shit. Now, everyone uses the ABH Dip Pomade. Yeah, it's good, but it's $19 and it dries out super fast. So it's like, if I'm paying this much, it shouldn't dry out so quick. So instead, this one's worn out, but I'm using the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade in dark brown. So this one is $8 and it's really good. It's just like, mine's so dirty and ugly. There's like random pieces of hair in here and one speck of glitter. But it looks like that. I had to flip mine over just because the top originally had gotten dry and stuff. If it gets dry, you can just spray setting spray on it and it'll mix it up a little bit and it'll become, a good consistency again. But I was just lazy and just didn't. So since I already have the full ass brows, thank you for being hairy. It's the only pro of being hairy. I really just have to outline first. So I'm just gonna go on the bottom first. I always have to start right where that arch is. Put way too much product on my brush. Too much dip on my chip. And I have like a hole right here where there's no hair, so I like to make it really dark. So yeah, and then I'm just filling this corner in just because I find that's where it's like empty the most. So I'm gonna brush that and just tighten up that corner. Dip a little bit more into the pomade. Usually with the pomade, a little goes a long way, so just be careful with that. Usually you don't even have to like redip. But me, right on this part, it's very sparse, so I just like to outline it and use the excess just to go on the bottom and then to kind of do that ombre eyebrow effect where it's like, just a little bit of product right here. And then use that to like blend and then do the hair strokes. If you brush it a lot here, that'll help blend it out if you put too much product. But if you see the difference, it's just this is more neater. They look like bricks right now, but it's okay. It's gonna look good in a second. Hold on. They just look angry. You're gonna piss me off. Alright, now to clean up with concealer, I'm gonna go in with the concealer I always use, Liquid Camouflage by Catrice in the shade 020 Light Beige. And what I'm gonna do is just go under the brow. Now, if you mess it up on underneath and on top, of course, you can go and apply the concealer on both. But me, I just do under the brow because that's where it needs to clean up, really. So I'm just going to put it right under there. And then I'm going to take this AOA E115 brush from Shop Miss A. That's the dollar website. This was $1. I like this just because it's just a flat brush and it's real easy to work with. So I'm just, being very careful, doing like quick, short strokes, like your man. And I'm just pulling it down just so that I'm not bunching up all the product at the top, just making sure I'm dispersing it evenly. And then I'll just go ahead and set the rest of my eye. All right. Now let me do the rest of my makeup and get decent. Now we're fly. Alright, so the last step of the brows is of course eyebrow gel. If you don't know, gel just helps it look more defined, more crisp, but avoid gels that make it look crunchy. This is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara Styling Comb. This is $3, so fucking bomb. It is gross though, because you can see like, I went to the viewfinder trying to show this, but anyway. Like, see, you can see like the residue like product in there because the tube is clear. Yeah, it's pretty gross, but I mean, if you just don't look at it, it's fine. But yeah, so I'm just gonna dust that off on there. Yeah, but I like this one just because it makes it look like more hairs are present when they're not. Alright, so now I'm gonna set my face and I'm going in with the Morphe spray. This is just a very even mist, so that's why I'm using it today. I don't know if you're even supposed to shake it, I don't hear anything. Oh, I love the smell of it. Very important tip for setting spray. When you douse your face in it, do not fuck up your eyeliner. Just don't look up. Don't look too much up, I guess. Up bad. Alright, while I'm waiting for that to set, I'm gonna do my lips. But yeah, if you look at the brows, they're looking very nice. Them shits look designer. Also, Buxom has like the best glosses. Smells so good. I actually really like my makeup today. But yeah, I'm looking real juicy. May have went too hard on the nose contour though, but that's every day though.